Hey guys, this is Hugo. I'm going to show you really quick how to register to any Super Saturday events or any real estate intensive events. It's very simple. So when you go to your Renatas, you go to the obviously to the home page, and you will go to communication, and you go to calendar events. And then these are all the calendars events that's going on through the month. So this, for example, this Saturday, the 5th, we're going to have a Super Saturday Link seminar. And then on the 19th, we're going to have a Super Saturday Intensive seminar. So what you do here is you create not the web. The web link you can do if you're going to watch it from home. You can actually pay for it to watch it at home live, and then you can actually get the recording a month later and watch it, for a month, for 30 days. But if you're going to go down to Downers Grove, then you click on the event, and then you'll see that it's $50 per guest, which is where IMAs is the same price. And then you register yourself, add myself to the cart, and then you'll see your name here. And then if you have any guests or people that you want to invite, then you would put their name here, new, to register. Or if they're existing, you just type in at least 3 characters of the words and then of the letters, and then add to the cart. And then you just put your credit card and then hit complete registration, and that's it. You will not get an email or anything to confirm. You'll just say that the event has been registered, and your name will now be up here where it says registered and not in pending. That's how you know that you did it correctly. So when you check in into Downers Grove, all you got to do is check in with your name, and the information is already registered. So that's all you have to do. Okay, so for the web link is the same thing. You click on the web link. It's $50 per IMA. You add yourself, and then you just put in your credit card info. If you're going to add an existing guest or something like that, then you can put their name and register, hit add card, and then complete registration, and it's done. So if you guys have any questions, please email me, call me, text me, whatever, and that's pretty much it. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.